If you have a respiratory trainer similar to this one, there's many videos online on how to clean it and maintain it. Well, I use mine a lot and I really try to make sure that everything's clean. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all the cleaning procedures on what you should do to clean your respiratory trainer. And I also found something, a little secret, that helps keep this as clean and dry as possible. I'll share it with you. First thing you want to do is disassemble the entire Breathe Way Better bag. Take the mouthpiece off the manifold, and you're going to want to rinse both components under fresh, cold water. Next, to a bowl, add about 2 cups of cold water and 1 capful of antibacterial mouthwash. Add the manifold and the mouthpiece and let them soak. Next, you're going to want to add 1 cap of the mouthwash and 2 to 4 cups of cold water to the Breathe Away bag itself. Using one hand, pinch off the opening and shake vigorously to make sure that you're getting into all the cracks and crevices. As you can see, when you let drain the first time, you're going to see some foam. Repeat 2 to 3 times with cold water until the water runs clear. After the manifold and mouthpiece have been soaking, rinse with cold water. Set aside and let dry. Next, you're going to take the Breathe Away Better bag, and this is what I use. I just use a cloth or a towel and just sort of undo the folds and dry the exterior of the bag the best you can. Next, if you have a bar or a shower rod, you can see that there's a flat and a wide side of the Breathe Away Better bag. I pinch it and spread it open. That just sort of helps the water drain out. Next, I will clip it to the shower rod to help it drain and dry. So besides just letting it hang and drip dry, I found something that will help clean the inside of the bag. Now, this is what I found. What this is a automatic, it's a high-speed fan. It clears, dust from your laptops, your electronic equipment, anything like that. Found it on Amazon, about $50 Canadian. And what it has is it has 3 speeds on it. So what I can do is just turn it on. I put it on the low speed, and it just blows gentle air into the Breathe bag. And it just blows air into the Breathe bag and helps inflate it to sort of get some of that water to start dripping out. I use it a couple of times in the drying process, let it hang, and I find it's a lot drier the next time I use it. And that's how I keep my respiratory trainer as clean and dry as possible. If you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe for more future content, and if you have any other ideas or what you use to keep yours clean, send me a comment.